Hi guys, this is NK Unfiltered. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is NK Nkiru Arinze. Nkiru Arinze. My name is not NK. NK is just the short for my name is Nkiru Arinze. I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. I am a content creator, a lawyer, a mom, a wife, and anything you do. Don't forget, say person keep pay for house. So today is just like an unfiltered vlog. Actually, I'm going to be packing. I live in Abuja and I am traveling for the East for Christmas. My sister is getting married first week of December and by traveling. So as I've entered December, this is part of my Vlogmas and I am trying to do Vlogmas. Guys, please help me. I'm sure by now once I've heard that like first 2, 3, 4 days of Vlogmas. This is part of my Vlogmas. Christmas is in the season and I am packing to go back to the East. As a mom, I have 2 kids and my girl 3. So they are basically 3. I'm packing for everybody plus my husband. So I have 4 people to arrange my things for. I won't pack my husband's clothes, of course, but I have to pack everything I'm going to have to eat. The past month has been very mentally draining for me because I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to plan and package and arrange so that I don't forget anything, like down to food stuff, feed them, clothing, accessories, every single thing I'm done. I have to handle it. Of course, I'm the mother, so I've been doing it for a while and I've been packaging, arranging, and planning. I even did contribution beginning of the year. I've already shared it from if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm NK Unfiltered on Instagram, ENKAY Unfiltered on Instagram, where I have showed like my process. I'm sure you must have posted those videos. So I'm actually packaging those things now to send down to the East. And if this is a vlog you know you're going to enjoy, stay tuned and you would enjoy it. My name is Nkiru. Please like my video, share my video, and share to other people and I will going to enjoy my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so you can be alerted. I rap, sorry, please, I rap. So you can be alerted anytime I post a video. So thank you so much for sticking by me and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys. Let's get right into it. Need to pack. I'm carrying some foodstuffs back because I was told that there's nothing in these. Everything in the East is quite expensive, so I'm packing. So they said everything in the East is expensive, and I've actually done some kind of market survey. I sent my sister-in-law to go and check out something, and it's quite expensive. So I got some things from here. I'm sending it back. Few I already had. Akidi I already had. Granite I bought in Modu. My attachment for making my own I get it because we're actually traveling quite early because of my sister's wedding. So I'm packing everything together. So I'm doing like a grocery haul. I got potato, onions. I'm not packing them in the bag now. Those ones will just be packed when we're sending down to the East. I want to do a way bill, so I want to send like a reasonable amount of load. I don't want, if I all the load, both our clothes, our shoes, all the bags are going down to the East before also. I've started packing. I've packed and you'll see the video. I'm going to pack my kitchen now. I already got like heavy Ghana must goes. I'm going to pack golden. I'm going to pack egusi. I bought egusi from here. It's actually very clean and cheaper here. I'm carrying achicha. I have most of this in store, so instead of leaving them and travel, I'm going to take some of it to travel. I have like tomato tashisho, but I've already cooked them and blended them into paste, and then the freezer now. Goat meat, cow meat, I've already shared, and the freezer now. Within this week, I'm going to go and buy iced fish. I'm going to buy iced fish, and I want them to be very frozen. Then I will carry them with me to the East. Like a lot of things I have to buy. I just don't want to be stranded in the East. I don't want to spend any money. If I have to buy anything, I have to mainly perishables like bell pepper. If I have a way of carrying bell pepper down to the East, I will, because my children and my family will take a lot of bell pepper. But if I don't find a way to carry bell pepper, I have to be buying in the East. But the tatashi, the shum, but the fresh pepper, I'm going to carry. My fresh pepper is actually outside now drying. I want them to dry to reasonable extent, to dry up the water, not dry too much. The harmattan is already enough to dry it. So it's currently drying outside. I would pack them when they are dry to reasonable extent. I bought yellow pepper and red pepper at Atarado. Yellow pepper is for soup and the red pepper is for cooking in general. I'm buying crayfish from Eketabi and they'll send it down to me to the East. The fish now is like 45k a bag. So I'm buying a full bag. I'll use half in the east, and the other half I'll carry it back. In fact, I'll use any quantity I can in the east. The other remain, I'll bring it back. I'll give my mom some. I have a Morocco. I'm going to take from my Morocco here and travel down to the east. What else do I need to pack? Like, I'm just packing generally. I've packed our toothpaste, our toothbrush, our pad for the ladies. It's just now patient is telling me that her pad has finished. This is someone that's, you don't buy it, I buy it. If I buy it, tell me when it's about to finish. It has finished completely. She has taken the last one, and now she's just telling me. That's the issue I have. You don't tell me when things are finishing. Just tell me when it has finished. I have spaghetti. I have macaroni, like a lot of things I have, and I'm packing them because I want them to be in that Ghana Moscow that will go down to the east. Then Ghana Moscow, I won't be packing my children's clothes in a box from here. I'm packing the Ghana Moscow so it will be easier to send back. I'll pack them in the Ghana Moscow. Acadia and cases won't be up. Patients will be down. Patients will be up. When I get to the east, I'll give them different bags where they can just pack out their things and be. It's easier to be in the Ghana Moscow. It's easier to be in the Ghana Moscow. When they see box, they'll start thinking box. So I'll just put them in the Ghana Moscow and send them down. My own things will be in the box here. So that's just basically what I am doing. Am I forgetting nothing? So let's go and pack, okay?
When somebody says your name in my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you.
It's cold. Yes. Iron Man is cold. Katie said Iron Man is cold. Come and see my video on my YouTube. You are having my love. This kid, your signature. Hey, don't push my people. For showing them Iron Man. Say this is Iron Man. Iron Man is flying. They cannot see your hand. Show them your hand. Iron Man is flying.
Get down.
It has gotten down.
Yeah.
I go down, kid. You are so heavy. So, guys, I'm sure you must have seen the packing for the. This is like the first stage of my packing. I have done the basics. Something that's in the freezer. I've told you guys previously now. So those things that are freezing will be sent down too, but they're still in the freezer, and I'm very tired. So I'm going to pack clothes. I'm going to do other things. I hope. Yeah, this vlog has not ended. I'm sure, because I'm still going to add like add other things. So in case this is not the clothes I'm putting on the continuation of the video, just know that this is the continuation, because I still have to pack their clothes, pack my clothes, and pack other food stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, please. Comment, just tell me well done, please. Hi guys, I came here to say this. I just again, let me say this before people crucify me. I look like a mad person. I look a mess. I don't have my nails, I don't have my lashes done, and I don't have anything good on my hair. That's because it's almost close to my trip and we have a photo shoot. I don't know. I don't know if this video is going to come before my photo shoot or if it's going to come after my photo shoot. But anyway, I have a photo shoot. That's why I look this mess. I don't want to do a new hair. I don't want to fix my lashes. I don't want to do my nails. I want to do everything before close to. I put my photo shoot close to my trip so that I'll do everything once. I'll do the nails, the hair, whatever I'm going to use for the wedding, and do it same time. So that after the photo shoot, I'll just travel like that to the east. So I don't want to do any new sets of nails, lashes, or hair. So when the time comes, I'm going to do this. I want to dye my hair, but I'm not sure if I'm going to dye it. But I want to dye my hair ginger. I like my hair being ginger. It has changed to black. It's been a year plus I dyed my hair. Mommy. So I want to change it. Yes, Katie.
Iron Man is sleeping.
Iron Man is sleeping. Okay, Katie. So I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do to my hair anytime soon. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do this very soon, but not now. So I'm going to take my hair to the stylist for him to arrange it. And then I don't have time again, but I have to wrap it up. I just let me come and tell you guys that. In the meantime, my bucket hat is my friend anywhere I go. I'm making noise. Yeah, I'm doing a video. So my bucket hat is my friend. I wear my bucket hat everywhere I go. Don't tell me shh. I wear my hat everywhere I go. So just forgive me, because what is under my hair is a hot mess. This night. This is what my hair looks like. This is one. Like 2 grams and then some bags.
Me, that's not my special. Double document, double invitation. Picture.
So I finished packing my load and now we are within it. So I didn't film every last thing for you guys, but this is me at night. Instagram. So we are here and we're rebuilding it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, I just got back home. I feel because I'm tired. The whole of today I have not sat down. About when I was packing the things into the bags, I rebuilt 2 big Ghana must goes. I showed you guys the video. 2 big Ghana must goes, 3 back sacks, and then 1 dustbin bag. I packed the children's clothes in dustbin bags instead of carrying boxes. I just packed all of them, everything. So I went to buy things. I bought things like I had the malts, double black. All these drinks are expensive in the East. I did my survey, and so I bought all of them here. I bought Maltina, I bought double black, I bought Hollandia, I bought Cheese Exotic, I bought Katie's juice, I bought Katie's biscuits. I bought everything from here. I think the only thing I have not buy from here is abacha. That's my local food. I bought almost everything. I pepper everything. The frozen things I would send either a day close when I'm traveling, or if this man I carry the things will come again and be able to carry things from my house in the morning, I'll send it to that's goat meat, cow meat, that's beef, tomato. I did my tomato, I boiled it and blended it, so I made it into like paste. So I'm sending everything. I sent yam bag, I sent egusi, I sent what did I not send back? I sent everything. I sent potato, I sent onions, I sent everything back. Everything I'm going to use, because we're going to be in the East for like a month. So I sent everything back. So I'm sorry I didn't show you guys. I was just so tired. I had to quickly do it because the man was meant to come in this week, but I didn't know it was this close. So he called me. He sent me a message. He called me the early morning of today and told me he was coming. So I had to quickly rush and pack all the things and even buy things I was not able to buy previous, like oats, I bought oats, I bought flour, I bought all this from here, and even spices for cooking, and I sent them down. So by the grace of God, before the end of today, like tomorrow, I mean, they'll receive all of them in the east. My sister-in-law has come back to the east, so she'll receive all of them. See guys, I'm sorry I'm squinting. That light is on my eye. I'm tired, I'm really tired. I'm very happy I did this because at least I have removed a huge burden from my body. Things I will need to buy in the east are perishables like vegetables, as bell peppers, ugu, all those things, scent leaf, those things. Every other thing I already have them. I think by tomorrow or next, till my mom that has the poultry will be killing the chicken I paid for. They'll kill the I paid for I 120 chicken, so she'll be killing them and then storing in the freezer. That's just like, guys, I just don't want stories. So I'm almost done with everything. I'm gonna be traveling very soon. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, no matter how chaotic and weird it is. I'll talk to you guys later. Please remember to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment, please. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.